Well, this is disappointing. I turned on one of my zones for the sprinkler system, and this happened. Water came bubbling up out of the ground right next to this wall. Let's start digging and discover where the leak is. I'm going to turn off the zone for my sprinkler system right now. This is a Rachio sprinkler controller. If you guys want to purchase this from Amazon, I've got a link in the description below the video. Alright, I'm going to speed this up for you guys so I won't waste any of your time. I'm cleaning out this hole, draining it. Alright, now I'm going to show you where the oak tree root took over and squished the sprinkler pipe. It was right at the joint, and it's really squished. I'm speeding this up for you guys again, and covering the pipe to make sure it doesn't get any debris in it. Okay, and now I've reached the other side. And now cutting this off to get past the root. I'm using hedge trimmers to cut back the roots. And now using a chainsaw to notch out the root. And then I'm using a framing axe. Let's get to priming and gluing the PVC pipe. I'm using Schedule 40 pipe instead of Schedule 20. Schedule 40 pipe is twice as thick as Schedule 20 pipe. I hope the oak tree root doesn't take over the pipe again. When you glue this, make sure you press it on and make a quarter turn. And again, glue up the pipe, insert it, and make a quarter turn. And now I have to wait 10 minutes so I can heat up the pipe with my heat gun, and then I can bend it. My camera died while I was filming this joint. Okay, now I'm priming and gluing all these joints together. Make sure you make a quarter turn at every joint. And make a quarter turn with this joint. All right, let's cover everything up. And look how good this is working. Okay, and no bubbles from the ground. Thanks for watching all the way to the end, you guys. Really appreciate you.